This right here is the replacement unit of the iPhone 17 Pro Max that I received directly from Apple. In this video, we are going to unbox this replacement unit. Also, I will be telling you if Apple Care Plus is worth it in India or not, and what to do if you have an international unit and you want to claim Apple Care Plus repair in India for that international device. So welcome back to my channel Tech Press. Let's start this video with a quick unboxing of this replacement unit. So after receiving this replacement unit from Apple, I have bought some protective things from Amazon so that my device don't break again. So first of all, I have this Spigen EZ Fit Pro tempered glass, which I will be applying now on the device. I will leave the link of both the case and the tempered in the description and pinned comment. You can check it out from there. So this is a very high quality tempered glass from Spigen or Spigen, whatever you want to call it. And this is the installation pad. We will keep our phone on it for installing the tempered glass. Now let's clean the display a bit. We have a microfiber cloth, a dust removal stick, and some lens and screen cleaning wipes. Let's open one wipe and clean the display to remove the smudges before installing the tempered glass. After using the wet wipes, we will wipe it down with a microfiber cloth included in the kit. Then we will use this dust removal sticker. After this, we will simply take out one of the tempered glass from the kit and place it over the phone like this. And then, according to the instructions given, we have to grip here on the rough edges and pull the sticker down. And press on the sticker and leave it like this for 30 seconds. Squeeze out the bubbles. Carefully remove all the bubbles from the edge, from the center if any, until all the bubbles disappear. Now you can see the tempered has been applied perfectly on the display without any bubbles. Now let's put on the case on the phone. For case, I have bought this tech woven cover. I will also leave its link in the description. If I can't find it online, I will leave another good cover link in the description as well. So now that we have applied the tempered and the cover, let's talk about the Apple Care Plus. But before that, let me clean up all this mess. Perfect. Now let's talk about Apple Care Plus and how my phone broke and how I claimed the Apple Care Plus here in India. Actually, I had bought this iPhone 17 Pro Japanese model about 3 months ago, but with it I had also purchased a monthly subscription of Apple Care Plus. So about a month ago, my phone fell off my pocket while I was riding my bike and it completely shattered. Even the frames were twisted. So I went to the local Apple authorized service center, but they refused to repair my device because it was a Japanese iPhone and I didn't had any original Japanese invoice of the iPhone. So I called the Apple customer support and they told me that they could arrange a send-in service. So what happens in send-in service is that Apple directly picks up the device from my home address and ships it to their service center in Bangalore, where they diagnose your device and accordingly they will either repair the device and charge you some basic service fee. For example, for repairing the screen or back glass, each would cost 2500 rupees separately, and to replace the whole device, which in my case cost 8900 rupees because I had Apple Care Plus on my device. And after I received the replacement device, I was shocked because I didn't receive the Japanese model back. I received a proper Indian unit back. This is a proper Indian unit and the battery count on this device is when I received the device, of course, was 0. Now it's 1 because I have used it for 1 or 2 days now. But when I received it, the cycle count was 0, and it's an Indian unit. It does support physical SIM cards as well. So if you want to contact the customer service of Apple for arranging a send-in service in your location as well, you can call them. You can easily find their customer service contact details on the internet easily. It's easily available. You can just search Apple India customer support number, and then you can call them and tell them that the local authorized service center is not accepting your repair because it's an international unit and you don't have an invoice of that country. Then they can arrange a send-in service pickup. Alternatively, if in your city an authentic Apple store, I think which in India are only 4 or 5, if it is available, you can also take it there. They won't ask for an invoice as well. They will just replace or repair your device based on your Apple Care Plus warranty. So that was it for today's video. I think if you liked it, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also do check this tempered glass and this cover in the description and the pinned comment. That would help our channel a lot. Thank you very much.